So first of all, we have count one, aggravated murder. That you purposely caused the death of R.M. on or about December 14, 2013. And that at the time she was under 13. What is your plea to that charge? Guilty. And then the first specification would be that the victim was under the age of 13. Guilty. The second specification would be that you committed the offense with a sexual motivation. Guilty. The third specification would be that you committed the offense while either committing or fleeing after committing kidnapping. Guilty. The fourth specification would be that you committed the offense while committing or attempting to flee after committing the offense of rape. This specification is that you committed the offense in order to escape detection or apprehension for the crime of rape. And the last specification, number 6, would be that you committed murder to escape apprehension or trial punishment for kidnapping. Then we move to count 3, which is the charge of kidnapping, which is that you purposely removed a child under the age of 13 from where she was found or restrained her of her liberty to commit rape, and further that she was under 13, and further that it was committed for sexual motivation. What is your plea to the charge of kidnapping? And to the specification that it was committed with a sexual motivation? And finally, count 7, which is the charge of rape, which is that you engaged in sexual conduct with R.M., who was less than 13, and specifically, additionally, that she was under the age of 10. What is your plea to the rape? Guilty.
I know these have been difficult times. What has today's court sentencing, to hear him say that he pleaded guilty and that he's been sentenced, does that give you any comfort, any relief?
Yeah, it makes me feel better that everything's finalized and he actually stood up and said for what he did wrong.
So what's it like for you now that there's a resolution in this case?
Oh, well, obviously it's nice to put this case behind us, but it's even better for the victim's family. We consulted with the victim's family before agreeing to the plea agreement, which you just witnessed in court, and they specifically did not want us to pursue the death penalty. So that was abiding by their wishes, and they're happy, I'm sure, to get this behind them as much as they can at this point with the sentence that was awarded by the court.
What do you think about, the detective work that was done and things like that?
It was excellent. Obviously, this resolution probably wouldn't have happened as well as it did and as quickly as it did without the excellent work of the Wayne County Sheriff's Office and the Bureau of Criminal Identification, both.